Okay friends, so in this video I am going to show you a simple and easy strategy that you can use to trade binary options, especially inside pocket option, to make profitable trades on a daily basis. So watch this video very carefully because it can help you to make lots of profitable trades in your upcoming days. Okay, so what happened today, I was sharing my old YouTube videos in my free Telegram group where I provide free signals also. And if you want to join that Telegram group, you can. Okay, I'll give the link in the description of this YouTube video. And when I was watching that video, and then I remembered about that strategy. Okay, I have completely forgot about that strategy, and I decided to test that strategy in a demo account. Okay, and it was working like a charm. Okay, but that video haven't got lots of views. Okay, that's why I decided to recreate this video. And if you are watching this video, then you got lucky to watch this video. Okay, because you can use this strategy right after watching this video and make lots of profitable trades in your upcoming days. But I would like to request you one thing. Okay, that video didn't reach to lots of people. Okay, so please do like this video. Okay, and put your point of view in the comment section so that YouTube algorithm pushes this video and it can help lots of other traders like you. Okay, to make profitable trades on a consistent basis. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is put all of these OTC currency pair that have above 80% payout in here. Okay, to do so, you can just make this star yellow. Okay, and it will appear at here. Okay, so once you do this much, then your candlestick should be of M5. Now I did test on M1 also. Okay, and it was working, but I would still suggest you to use M5 candle. Okay, so that you can see a strong trend in a candle itself. Okay, and your trading time frame should be a 5 second. Now the strategy is extremely simple. Okay, you need to take risk. Okay, this is a little bit risky strategy but also a rewarding strategy. Okay, so as you can see here, this candle is going up, right? It's going up, it is pulling back. Whenever a pullback happens, then make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, and then you can expect to be right in this way. Okay, so let's see in another candle. So it is moving up right now. If a sudden pullback happens, then you can make a trade by clicking on higher. So let's still make a trade by clicking on higher, but there was not a sudden pullback, but still we made a trade and we were able to make profit. It is as simple as this. Okay, so let's not trade in that. So here you can see if a sudden pullback happens, okay, yeah, like this, then you can make trade by clicking on higher and expect to be right in the trade. Okay, so see how simple it is. Okay, so there is no any complicated indicator strategy that you need to think. But yeah, this it do come with some risk. Okay, if your trade, if the candle pullback keeps on happening, then within 5 seconds you cannot make profit. Okay, so that's why you need to focus on I mean, you need to remember you can also suffer the losses. Okay, but it is also a rewarding strategy that can give you lots of profits. So let's see in another candle like this. Okay, if a sudden pullback happens, then make a trade by clicking on lower. See, now I think we are going to lose this trade. Yeah, we made a loss in this trade. Okay, so I would also suggest you to not again trade on that currency pair wherever you have made loss. Okay, so here you can see it is going up. If a sudden pullback happens like this, then you can make trade by clicking on higher and expect to be right. Okay, so one more thing. Okay, you can firstly test this strategy in your demo account before trading in real account on a daily basis. Okay, and if it is working in your demo account, then only use it in real account. Okay, right after testing in demo account. So let's see. So if a sudden pullback happens, we can make trade by clicking on. Okay, so it is not giving a pullback. So let's see in this. Okay, if it gives a pullback. No, it is straightly going up. We need a small pullback. Okay, so that we can place our trade. Let it go. Okay, it went a little bit back, not that much, but still we made a trade and we are profitable in this trade. So let's see in another. So let's see, a pullback have happened there also. So let's make, and yeah, we made a loss in this trade. Okay, this happens. Okay, you should not worry about. And also don't trade on this kind of candle where it is long wicks. Okay, don't trade in this type of candles. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, we made a loss in that also. Okay, so this happens. Okay, so you need to properly test before using it in your real account. Okay, so here this candle is too small, so let it come a little bit back, and let's make trade by clicking on lower, and let's see what happens. Yeah, we made a profit. So guys, overall this is the strategy that you need to use to trade, to make profit on a daily basis. But of course, I again repeat, it is a risky strategy. Okay, but you can test it firstly in your demo account before trading in your real account. Okay, it works like a charm. So this much for this video. I'll see you in my next another video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.